the Inspired Actor here. Before we begin, I just want to say that these quick take videos are meant to supplement my longer series of 10-minute acting class videos. So if you're new and have no idea what I'm talking about or what archetypal gestures are, I'll put a link to where you can start up in the notes. In brief, we are using archetypal gesture in order to place our intentions fully in our body. Practicing with these actions or gestures when making your choices in your scene will help fully connect your psychological action with your physical body, with the goal of being a more dynamic and concentrated use of your abilities on stage and in film. So, without further ado, here is today's bonus archetypal gesture of caress, smear. Caress, smear. Begin in a neutral stance. Feet shoulder width apart, arms at your side, chest open and radiating. On an inhale, twist your body slightly to the right. While bringing the left hand forward, draw your right elbow back slightly, keeping both hands relaxed and filled with a feeling of ease. On an exhale, take a step forward with the right foot, fully extending the back foot and bending the front knee. Simultaneously, reach with the right hand with the palm facing inwards. The back hand should reach behind you with the palm down. Imagine the object of the gesture is in front of you and you are able to caress that object with the palm and fingers of your right hand. While maintaining this position, radiate the feeling of the gesture with your full, concentrated energy. Once you sense the gesture is at an end, return to neutral. Do not rush the ending of the gesture or let it continue after you feel it has concluded. And that is caress, smear. This gesture was taught to me by Professor James Luse many years ago, and I continue to use it to this day. It's kind of a mix between a push, a probe, and a pull. And it's really a great gesture that invites a lot of wonderful imagery. While caress tends to have a lot of positive connotation, I think it's also helpful to explore the polarity of that feeling, which to me is smear. This requires little more than a small switch in your creative imagination, although the word smear invites a molding quality and caress invites a flowing quality. Try these gestures with a flying or radiating quality and see what that does for you as well. In fact, I hope you try all the gestures I am showcasing in these videos with different qualities of movement, tempo, and feeling, and see how the same gesture can change with each separate quality. That's the very core of the craft of acting, really. We execute all kinds of actions, but the quality is what makes our work interesting, truthful, and dynamic. I ask that you remember that always in your work. As always, when doing these gestures and actions, please remember your feeling of ease and your feeling of form. See you later, colleagues.